Hey y'all, welcome back YouTube. So today here we're gonna be trying out Asad's hot chicken to see if it's worth all the hype. Me personally, I never had Asad's hot chicken before. And it's gonna be my first time, so we're gonna be rating it 1 out of 10. But we're about to check it out and give y'all a nice review. I'm smashing on this one. I ain't even gonna lie, cause my favorite meal is halal food, and we all know that. But I ain't even gonna lie, I might just switch to this size hot chicken head right, cause I need a new meal on my menu. Alright y'all, we finally got close enough where I can start recording. I don't have my mic right now. I had to leave my microphone in the house because it wanted to die. But I finally got here. And we're at Market Street, 33rd and Market Street. It took me so long to get down here, y'all. It took me like an hour to get down here. But here's the Asads hot chicken food truck right there. And we about to see what's on the menu. We about to see what we about to eat today. Right here. Oh man. Don't that look hammered? Oh man. That shit look good. That shit look good. We sitting in the line right now. I'm gonna show y'all the menu. Hey y'all, so I ordered the #1 with the chicken sandwich and the french fries. And yeah, I'm just here to tell y'all, bro, it's 102 degrees out here, bro. It's hot as shit in Philly right now. Like, oh, it's hot, bro. And to be honest, bro, Asad's hot chicken, I don't think they got drinks that come with the juices. So you already know, we gonna have to go walk to go get some juices. I'm gonna stop at 7-Eleven, all right? I'm gonna go get some juices. Be right back. All right, we just got in here, dog. We need to go grab something to drink, cause I'm burning. You know what I'm saying? First dog, juice is over here. Alright y'all, coming back from 7-Eleven. Had to grab me a fucking big goop. I wish they had some water, cause you know this shit bad for business, but shit. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show y'all the Asads hot chicken that I just brought. And we're gonna rate it. Hey y'all, so I wound up getting the Asads hot chicken, and this what the food looked like. And we're about to walk home to go taste it out. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, this is me in the house. Just got back in the house. And this is what the plate looking like. This is what the chicken looking like. To be honest, it looked mediocre. It looked like some Checkers to me. Some nut ass McDonald's to me. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna set the camera up. Alright y'all, this is the stuff right here. And it's my first time ever eating a Asads hot chicken, so we're about to take a bite out of it and see what this got going on. Open it. Okay, some pickles with some mayo, some fries. Actually, let's put some fries in there. We're gonna put some fries in here, cause I like to do all the big bag shit. I love it. Alright, fries in here. Bismillah. Hold the fuck on. Hold on, bruh. I gotta bite this little part off. Fucking on my burger. Oh, the burger is a 10 out of 10. You must try again. The fries good too. When I was young, I was the type nigga to always think McDonald's was the only fast food restaurant. Nigga, no, the hell is not. You got shit like Dave Hot Chicken. Cause let me finish cooking this joint off. Oh my God. This shit makes me want to slap your mama. God damn. I don't know what this shit tastes like. This tastes like I cooked it. Oh my God. You know we were eating and it gets stuck right here. Oh my God. The food. Yeah.